London is one of the most exciting cities in the world, but navigating it efficiently can be overwhelming. From iconic double-decker buses to the world-famous tube, there are plenty of ways to get around. This guide will show you the best, fastest, and most affordable ways to travel through London like a pro. The London Underground, or the Tube, is the fastest way to travel across the city. With 11 lines covering over 250 miles, the Tube connects major attractions, airports, and neighborhoods. The Oyster card or contactless payment is the easiest way to pay, offering cheaper fares than buying paper tickets. Trains run from around 5 a.m. to midnight with a night tube service on select lines during weekends. London's iconic red buses are an affordable and scenic way to get around. They operate 24/7, covering areas where the Tube doesn't reach. The same Oyster card or contactless payment works here, with a flat fare regardless of distance. The Hopper fare allows unlimited bus and tram rides within an hour for the price of one ticket. Black cabs are a London classic, but they can be expensive. They operate on a metered fare and accept card payments. Ride-sharing services like Uber and Bolt are more budget-friendly alternatives. Prices vary depending on demand, so checking the fare estimate before booking is always a good idea. For trips beyond central London, national rail trains connect to outer boroughs and nearby cities. The Oyster card is valid on most train routes within the city. South London also has a tram system, which is included in the public transport network. London is becoming more bike-friendly, with cycle lanes and rentable Santander cycles available throughout the city. Rentals start at a low daily rate, and the first 30 minutes of each ride are free. Walking is another great way to explore, especially in central areas like Westminster and Covent Garden, where attractions are close together. The Thames Clippers, or Uber boats, offer a unique way to travel along the River Thames. While more expensive than other options, they provide a scenic alternative with stops at key locations like Greenwich, the Tower of London, and Westminster. Avoid traveling during rush hours, from 7 to 9 in the morning and 5 to 7 in the evening, to beat the crowds. Download the City Mapper or TfL Go app for real-time travel updates. Stand on the right when using escalators to let others pass on the left. With so many transportation options, getting around London is easy, convenient, and affordable. Whether using the Tube, buses, cycling, or even a boat, London's public transport system makes it simple to explore the city. Grab an Oyster card, plan your route, and enjoy everything London has to offer.